Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use the call out basic block feature in Notion template. You're going to want to make sure you can see your prompt where it says write something or press space for AI/command. Just hit the / button on your keyboard and you're going to scroll down where you can see call out. You can also type it in and it'll pop up to the top. You can also make sure you're clicking on the right thing by seeing the little thumbnail. It shows you exactly what we're doing. So once we click on it, we can see that this little rectangle has populated, and I'm going to click on this picture and show you that you can go in and change emojis and icons for these little square boxes known as call out boxes. You can also create a custom one for yourself. You can also change the color of just these black and white lines by picking from the populated ones already. So then you're just going to go in and you're going to type in all of the text that you want highlighted. And this is how you use the call out feature in your Notion template. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.